Hey everybody, this is my artsy project, and right now I'm taking a look at this masterpiece by a young man named Christopher Tybalt. As you can see, one of the elements that he utilizes here is his use of line. He has a lot of swooping motions with the line, a lot of nice curves going on, but the line is probably the strongest element of this piece right here. And it kind of serves to just make it very visually appealing, kind of leads your eye around the piece, just very flowing atmosphere you get from this. And as far as contrast and affinity, this definitely embodies affinity more, being completely white. But the light provides a contrast, creating shadows and highlights. So I would argue that you could say both for this. This work of art was found right here in my apartment, because I'm lucky enough to be roommates with this wonderful artist, Chris Tybalt. And yeah, I think this is a successful piece of art.